spoken narration ghostwritten by the above artist. Mimic their style closely, speak in the first person. The point of a video is to form a deep connection with the audience. Avoid mentioning the name of the ghostwriter. Hey there, aspiring boxers. If you're ready to unlock your full boxing potential, you've come to the right place. Boxing is more than just a sport, it's a way of life that builds strength, endurance, and mental toughness. Today, I'm sharing 5 must-follow tips to help you grow stronger inside and outside the ring. Let's get started. First up, consistent training routine. Boxing isn't just about throwing punches. To excel, you need a well-rounded routine that includes technical drills, sparring, conditioning, and strength training. Practicing jabs, crosses, hooks, and defensive moves regularly builds muscle memory and sharpens your skills. Consistency is key, my friends. Next, let's talk about proper nutrition and hydration. Your diet plays a huge role in your performance. Fuel up with a balanced mix of proteins, complex carbs, and healthy fats. Timing your meals right before and after training can make a big difference. And don't forget, stay hydrated. Water is your best friend, especially during those intense workouts. Tip number 3 is rest and recovery. Overtraining can lead to burnout and injuries, so listen to your body. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep each night to repair muscles and reset mentally. Incorporate rest days into your routine and consider stretching, yoga, or even physiotherapy to keep your body flexible and injury-free. Remember, rest is just as important as training. Moving on to mental toughness. Boxing is as much mental as it is physical. Visualization, staying calm under pressure, and having the discipline to keep up with your routines are crucial. Believe in yourself and bounce back from setbacks with resilience. Techniques like meditation or breathing exercises can help sharpen your focus and reduce anxiety. Stay strong both in body and mind. Finally, let's talk about protective gear and safety. Safety is non-negotiable. Always wear hand wraps, mouth guards, headgear, and well-padded gloves. Groin protection and proper shoes are essential too. Warming up before and cooling down after training can prevent injuries and promote muscle recovery. So there you have it, 5 essential tips to unlock your boxing potential. Stay dedicated, train smart, and keep pushing your limits. You've got this. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more boxing content. Until next time, keep fighting.